So hey guys, we are going to discuss question number 2913, which is subarray distinct element sum of square part 1. So let me read out what this question is asking from us. So it is very simple question, you can say. The question is asking, you have to return the count of the distinct count of subarray of num, and which is the sum of square of distinct counts of all subarray of num. And what is a subarray? A subarray is a contiguous part of an array. For example, the subarray in this, or you can say unique subarrays of this array is not unique, but the subarray is this, and you can say these, and you can say this. Okay. So subarray, as you can see, it is always continuous. So unlike subsequence, it is continuous like this: 2 1 1 2, and this one more: 1 2 1 1 2 1. So basically, what you have to do, you have to return the count of unique elements in these subarray and the sum of that square. For example, unique element in this is 1, unique element in this is 2, unique here is 2, unique here is 1, unique here is 1, and these are the unique element. This is repetitive. So okay, there is one more, 2 also, 2 will be also there, and you have to return square, sum of these square. Okay, you will do the square, then you will do the sum, or you can do square and sum. Then this answer will be 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1, which will be 15. You can add 4 3 are 12 and 13 14 15. So basically what this question is asking, you have to count the unique element and you have to do the square of that count. You'll add it with the remaining count of the other subarrays, or you can say you'll do for one and you'll just add the other. Okay, so the first thing that you have to think is how to count or how to create or find a subarray. So let me rub this. To get all possible subarray of this, what we'll do, like you have to create all the subarrays or just subarrays in this. Don't worry about distinct, but just think how to get a subarray. Was subarray, what you can do, first what I thought, simply you can use 3 loops. Like you can use I pointer, you can use a j pointer, and what you can do, you can run a loop for I and j, from I and j, and all the elements you can add in any vector or list, whatever you want, or you can say set also. So that will help you in distinct element. But if you do this, like this will be your subarray. If you increase your j here, this will be your subarray. Okay, and if you increase your j here, so I to j, it will be 1 to 1. Okay, but the thing is how to count unique elements in an array. The thing is very simple. To keep track of unique element in array or some unique element that you have, you always or mostly use set, unordered set, or the simple set you can use. So basically what you'll do, you'll create a subarray. Okay, then what you'll do, you'll create a set for that subarray or for that particular subarray. You know how to initialize it. In C++, that's how you initialize a set. What you'll do is just simply insert the element for that subarray, and what you do, in the answer you will add the size of that set. For example, if you took this subarray, for example, and you inserted all this value in your set, so set will be 1 2, If you inserted, size will be 2. So answer, you will add size square. Wait a second. St dot size equals st dot size. It's a function which will be 2 into 2, and this is how you should supposed to do. Instead of using 3 for loops, you can simply do in 2 for loops. Basically, like let me do this so I can explain you better. So like if you have this subarray, you can just simply put a pointer here, and from I to n you can run another pointer j, which will create a subarray. For example, if you run a pointer from I, if you insert the first element, it will be just 1. Then if you insert this element, it will be 1 comma 2. If you insert this element, it will be 1 comma 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 comma 1. Then you'll move your I pointer as j finished. Then you will make a subarray. So it will be j, first it will be 2. Then if you move here, j will be 2 comma 1. Then what you'll do, you'll move I here, j will be also here. Then you'll insert or create this subarray, and what you'll do, you can basically just put all this element in the set that you are creating for the subarray, and you can do the square of size. Square of size of set, as set will hold the unique elements, and at last you will be able to return the output, or you can say sum of squares of the unique element in the subarray. So that's it. Let me just take you to the code I was explaining, and this is the example. So let's just code up the solution. First, as I told, we need a for loop or outer I pointer, which will be pointing to the starting index of the subarray. Then what we'll do, we'll use another pointer which will start from that particularly same index and go up till last index to create all possible subarray. And we have to keep track in answer variable, track sum of square of unique elements. We can initialize it as 0. Then what we'll do, we'll simply create a set here, set int st. Why we are creating a set here, as first you'll fix your I pointer here, then for j pointer it will start from the same position and go up till the last position. Okay, it will go here, then it will go at this last position, as I explained. Like you can see here, I will be here and j will be here. Then what we'll do, for that subarray, like you are making the subarray here in this for loop. For that subarray, what you'll do, you'll just insert that in set. Okay, so what we'll do, set dot push or set dot insert nums of j. As you are inserting the element, basically what you are doing, you made a subarray. Like first your subarray will be 1, and the next for loop your subarray will be 1 2. The first subarray is 1, so the size of subarray will be 1. So you'll add the square of that subarray or the unique element, and unique element is held by a set. So what you'll do is you'll just simply add the size of set as explained here. For example, first you inserted 1 here, then your size of set is 1. So answer will be just whatever the answer was, 0 initialized, 0 plus square of 1. Okay, 1 square. Okay, then next time your for loop I will be still here at the 1, j will come here. So you'll add these two value in a set, in your set that you created. So it will have two elements. The size will be uh, 2. So you'll add square of 2. Sorry, square of 2. As you can see, it is written here 1 comma 2, two distinct values. So we'll add square of 2. So what we'll do at last, we'll just simply return the answer, which will be holding the sum of square of the distinct values in the subarray. So let me just check if this is working or not. Okay, there's some error and the answer. Still okay. I am having a habit of writing n. So better to declare n, or we'll declare here. The constraint was too small. Wait a second. The constraint were too small, so you can use 3 for loops if you couldn't understand 2. Firstly, I used 3 only. And so thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.
I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemy.